Okay, today we'll take a look how to transfer USDT from Polygon network to Binance Smart Chain network using Stargate bridge, and if it actually works. So first we'll check the balance. How many USDT do we have on our Binance Smart Chain? That's 40 USDT. And then we make sure we select the correct settings. We select the correct token, USDT. In the From field, we select Network Matic, which is Polygon. And in the To field, we select BSC, Binance Smart Chain, and we make sure that the correct amount is entered. In this case, I want to transfer all of it, so I press max. We see that the fee will be 61 cents, which I would say is pretty great. And we press confirm transfer. MetaMask asks us for permission. So we review the numbers. We don't need to change anything. It will work like this. And we press confirm. Now the system says that they have received our transaction, that we have submitted it, and that the money should arrive in 21 minutes. Approximately, and we confirm it, and we see also that the confirmation coming in from MetaMask that the transaction has passed through. Then we see the countdown going down, and let's pause and see how it works. Now 6 minutes to the end. So let's check. Maybe the money have arrived. The money has arrived. No, it hasn't. So 5 minutes later, we see the transfer is complete. Let's check now if the balance is all right. And we see that our money has arrived. So that's how it works, guys. I hope it was helpful, and have a great day.